You know, the internet is just flooded with digital tools, right? And trying to find the ones that are actually good, it can feel impossible. But what if there was a private members-only club for the absolute best software in AI? Well, today, we're going to look at a platform that does exactly that. It's called SilentBot, and its entire model is built on exclusivity. I mean, really think about that for a second. In a world drowning in apps and AI, how on earth do you cut through all the noise to find high-quality, trusted tools? Imagine a private club where the best of the best are handpicked just for its members. That's the core idea, the promise of SilentBot. So, here's the official description. SilentBot is a specialized content marketplace and community hub. Okay, let's unpack that. Specialized just means it's curated and high quality. And tiered membership, well, that means your access is earned, not just given to everyone. This is not some wide open free-for-all. It's a really structured community built around genuine value. To really make sense of this whole model, the creators came up with this brilliant analogy that just makes everything click into place. They want you to think of SilentBot as a digital country club. And this right here, this one idea, is the key to understanding the entire platform. The software and the tools, those are the exclusive amenities. You know, the private golf course, the fancy pool. And your membership level, that's the key that unlocks all of it. It's such a simple concept, but it defines the whole experience. So what do these access passes actually get you? Well, just like any club, not all memberships are created equal. The tier you're on determines exactly what you can see, what you can do, and what you can download. Okay, I know this looks a little complex at first glance, but it's really just the club's rule book. Look here, a guest can pretty much only view public posts, but a free user can also create their own posts and download some files. And then as you move up the ladder to Pro and Premium, you see more and more check marks appear, unlocking cool stuff like exclusive posts. It's a super clear path of access. To make that rulebook even simpler, let's just compare the two ends of the spectrum. A free user, they've basically got lobby access. They can look around, see the public areas, get a feel for the place. But a premium user, they're holding the master key. They get into every single room, they can access every tool, and they are first in line for any new amenities the club decides to add. Your membership level literally is your power on the platform. So that's what it's like to be a member. But what's going on behind the scenes to make it all happen? Come on, let's pull back the curtain and take a look at the architecture that makes this exclusive club run so smoothly. This diagram maps the technology to our analogy perfectly. So, the clubhouse, that's the website, the part you actually see and interact with. When you click on something, your request goes straight to the concierge. That's the API that handles all the logic. The concierge then goes and gets the tool you want from the super secure storage vault, which is the database and file storage. See? It's a simple, elegant, and really secure system. Now, for those of you who are curious about the specific tech, this thing is built on a modern, totally professional stack. The front end uses React, which is why it feels so fast and snappy. The back end runs on Node.js, which makes it super efficient at handling all those member requests. And for security and reliability, it's using a powerful PostgreSQL database and secure cloud storage like AWS S3. Yeah, this is not some weekend hobby project. This is a serious production-grade build. All right, so we've covered the what and the how. Let's wrap things up with the most important part, the why. What is the real value of joining this digital club? The benefits are actually really clear. First off, you get access to exclusive tools you just won't find anywhere else. Every single download is secure and gated, so you know it's been vetted. For the serious users, that premium tier basically acts as a guarantee of quality. But maybe the most important thing is you're not just downloading files here, you are joining a curated community that's focused on finding the absolute best digital tools out there. At the end of the day, SilentBot is built to reward people who value quality over quantity, all inside a secure, exclusive environment. It's not just another open marketplace. It's a private club. So, I guess the only question left is, are you ready for your all-access pass?